beginner nor an expert. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Jigar Gajjar and I have just completed my orthopedic training in diploma in orthopedics from a gold medal in CPS orthopedics, and I am currently learning the art of arthroplasty. Today I am so excited to start this journey with you in the field of orthopedics. So first question is why I started this channel. So in one sentence, if I could summarize it, it would be like bridging the gap. So what do I mean by bridging the gap? It's a gap between input and output. Okay. So what is your input? Your sets of books that I will talk in next videos, lectures, workshops, apps, and all the online materials and all other ways of getting the necessary info. So output, two main aspects: academics and clinical. Academics in terms of exam, thesis, research paper, and clinical day-to-day practice, OPD, ward, clinical examination, OT knowledge, skills, and overall being a good surgeon. So I see large discrepancies in both the methods. Some students know so much in terms of theory, but their surgical skills are not matching of what they know because they are not getting hands-on as much as they need to improve their surgical skills. Some students can perform basic operations well, but they lack in fundamental theory knowledge. My funda being, some students take admission into orthopedics assuming they don't need to read too much and they only need to do hard work and need some surgical skills, but that's not true. Why? Because we are the physicians and surgeons of the musculoskeletal system of a patient. So I want to bridge that gap by understanding and simplifying the fundamentals of orthopedics and focusing on why rather than what and how. Also, there are some things that your teachers expect you to know or learn by yourself, or you think that you will learn those things with the practice. But most of the times, that doesn't happen. On this channel, I will be sharing educational videos about all the aspects of orthopedics, starting from the very basic to the latest treatments and techniques. It doesn't matter whether you are an MBBS student or a NEET aspirant who wants to become orthopedic trainee someday, or just want to understand what the orthopedics is all about, or you are a MS, DNB or D ortho student looking to learn more about this fascinating field, or healthcare professional who is looking to stay up to date on the latest research and techniques. I hope you will find something of a value here. In addition to traditional lecture style videos, I also plan to include case studies, Q&A sessions, and live surgeries to provide you a well-rounded and interactive learning experience. And for the patients, if you are finding this channel, I will be sharing everything that you need to know to stay healthy and active. So I am trying to provide a simple, reliable, and relatable information and hope that my content will help you advance your understanding and skills in the field of orthopedics. So let's start this journey where you and me, we both can learn, unlearn, and relearn together. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and we will see you in the next video.